Hey everybody, it's Ivy, and today I'm gonna be doing my video kind of like vlog style. I'm gonna be doing a cooking video today. But today we're gonna be making queso birria tacos. So this is a really easy recipe. It just has a lot of steps. It's really easy, definitely fun to make. Way better than the birria you'll get at like restaurants or anything like that. So I'm just gonna show you guys the steps that I did. Right now, I literally just got back from the store. So I'm gonna use this pot right here, just a really big pot. So this is the beef I'm using right here. Can we focus? There it is. You need to clean your meat always, okay? I don't care what anyone says. Clean your meat, and usually I like to clean my meat with vinegar and water, but I don't have any vinegar, so what I'm just gonna do is just rinse it with cool water. That's good enough. Okay, you guys, so my meat is in the pot, okay? The next thing you want to add is broth. I don't know why I have chicken broth. I thought I purchased beef broth, but it really doesn't matter. I like this brand though because it tastes really, really good. It's really okay. You want to make sure all of it's in there. Next, we're gonna add a whole garlic clove, okay? A whole garlic clove. Just drop it in there like so. Next, we're gonna add bay leaves. Okay, I might have used too many, but that's okay. Just go ahead and take them out if it's too many. Right now, we have our chuck roast in the pot with the broth, bay leaves, and a clove of garlic. Now we're gonna add 2 carrots. Put that right in there. I do have my flame on high, so this can come to a boil. Next, we're gonna add our dried peppers, and we're gonna do 10 of these, 3 of these, and 3 of these. Now you want to make sure before you put them in your pot you de-seed them, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take the seeds out, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them in my pot and let this boil for about an hour. is what our birria is looking like. It just looks so good, y'all. Excuse my hands, you guys, they're kind of dry because I've been washing them non-stop. So I just dipped it. Man, the autofocus on the G7X is so slow. Y'all, these are so good. And they're so easy to make. The thing about birria is not that it's like hard to make. It's just time consuming. But this, y'all, it is so good. Like, you know, this is so good. This is my third time making them, and I promise y'all this is the best one. I'll have like every step, ingredients I use linked below. You guys try them out. Let me know how it goes. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. If you want more cooking videos, comment below. And yeah, that's it.